Would you like to be a calm and confident driver? Do you struggle with driving test nerves? Our website gives you access to 8 different techniques, all commonly used to manage stress, nerves and anxiety, using driving scenarios and examples. Try the techniques that you feel will suit you best, choosing from relaxation audios, breathing exercises, imagery, positive self-talk, coaching, hypnotherapy, meridian tapping, and mindfulness, and learn the skills to successfully manage your driving nerves.
Hi, I'm Kev from Kev Field Driver Skills. I offer all my pupils free access to the Confident Drivers website. There you will find hints, tips and different techniques to help you with your driving test nerves and anxieties.